ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
It's so nice and warm in here.
I always like to move to the dead center.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Kindly drag your bodies away from Master's walls and gather in the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive. And we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together.
I miss when they used to
Please.
There's one of those old, like, claymation Christmas movies where this guy, the ghost host, was one of the voices of one of the characters. Did I tell you about that?
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, all in the spirits, wherever they're at.
The happy haunts have received your sacrifice. The recycling
I love this one.
They have selected you to fill our as their one
Make final arrangements. We've been dying to have you.